Did you ever do the jackfruit John cheesesteak?
No, I never got to do that, John. Actually, I still got it in the freezer for real.
Okay.
So,
Alright.
I be thinking about doing that shit too, so. Yeah, man. Just cut a few slices off. Try to see if this is Man, that really challenge you. Just switching up your diet, it make you think about what else can you eat besides the stuff you used to getting from the store, the poppy store every day and all that.
Right.
Really gotta get in the kitchen, get busy real quick and cook something up, man.
Expand your palate.
Real right, man. Ain't no faking it, please. You either got it or you don't, man.
Facts.
That's all.
Do you got like a favorite meal type John to make?
This right here, spaghetti, man.
Easy go-to
Easy
type
go-to, John. That's what I grew up on. Every week we ate this shit. At least once a week. So.
Facts. That shit lasts a little
Yeah,
minute
right,
too.
the whole pot. We eat leftovers for weeks.
Yeah.
Friends
Unless you
come
dick the whole John.
over, get fried, eat that John.
Yeah.
I mean, that's what all this nutrients in here. Get busy with that. See, I need some bigger pans and shit, but we about to get it rocking. About to get it heavy.
Facts. Balance.
Yeah, man, it's that earth balance, you know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Butter substitute.
Oh, put that right in the oil.
Right in that oil, man. Yeah, though, man.
It's gonna be.
That's just your eggplant and your green peppers. Yeah, right in there with that.
Let that thing sizzle, marinate. Onion ting. The onions like cook faster and stuff. That's why you put them in last. I heard. I think.
Well, it depends on how well done you want your onions.
Okay.
See, I'm gonna cook these down in the sauce a little bit too, so I ain't in a rush.
Right.
But if I like mine more caramelized anyway.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? So we'll try to get it in there with that caramelized and that.
Yeah. Kitchen for cooking. Stir fry.
Yeah. Moving it around a little bit. I ain't doing nothing. Push it around, just oil on it.
Yeah.
About to season it down. Grab you some of this.
Himalayan
Grab some.
pink ting.
Don't even hesitate, man. Worth it.
Good investment.
It's a good investment. It activates the natural flavor in your food. You ain't even gotta worry about it. Throw some extra little garlic.
Garlic. Okay.
Some basil I'm gonna put in there. This one still got the seal on it. Fresh boy.
Just from the stove. Catch that, boom.
Water boiling, I'm about to go right in with it.
A little oil.
A little bit of like a tablespoon. And then move this around just a little bit.
Whole thing cooking for 3.
Doing that, man. Right back over there with
Multitasking. Smelling it already.
Alright. Mushroom on that.
They regular type Jones or they like
These are portobello Jones.
okay.
Pre-sliced. I had some unsliced ones, but they weren't bad, so
Right.
yeah, we just gonna rock off from there with it. Nothing fancy, man. Nothing busy.
Vegan sausages.
You got a good ass flavor too, bro.
What kind of Jones are they?
That's like an Italian joint, like an Italian seasoned joint, basically.
Okay. That's the brand of it?
Oh, the brand.
Yeah.
I don't know the brand, bro.
Right, yeah.
Can't even get that out, man.
Yeah. Special sauce. You gotta pay for that. Can't get it all for free. Y'all gotta hit the cash app.
Real life. Get a recipe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Get it caramelized to your liking. I like my shit caramelized. You know what I'm saying? I like my shit cooked in.
You ever do the fried cabbage? You be fucking with that?
Bro, all the time.
Yeah.
And the curry, throw the curry in that joint.
Ah, I gotta try that.
A little bit of time.
Yeah.
Joint out, man.
Yo, my aunt, she be making that joint, and I was like, let me try that first time on my own at Reed's crib.
Yeah.
Did that shit. Yeah, that shit lit, bro. And it's easy, real quick. Just fry that joint
Red
down.
beans and rice.
Cause when you said do it to your liking, that's what she was telling me. Like if you like it crunchy or you know what I'm saying.
Yeah. And man, this what you gotta have when you mess with your pasta.
Free, gluten free. Grated.
And man,
come on.
go veggie, man.
It's a fact. Throw that thing right on there.
We in there. Now I'll just add this to thicken up my pastas. I mean, and to add some flavor. I mean, you use the flavor.
Sturdy pot.
I mean, add some more. And this probably cost me about $10 to make altogether. Honestly.
Whole family.
Oh, yeah, man, whole family.
Feed the whole family. Economical.
No meat involved. Yeah, man. Everything ready.
No animals harmed in the process.
None at all.
They be putting that in the video. With the makeup products, no animals was abused.
Real life.
There we go. Husky. Still got extras.
Right.
330 bowls. See, they be saying cooking vegan is expensive, but
Right.
that's if you eating out all the time. You feel me? If you make it yourself,
You make it yourself, it's like
good money.
you can do what you want.
Invest in your cooking skills.
You your own boss.
Big facts, big facts.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. It's official. It's stamp. You know what I'm saying?
It's around.
Always have faith in my man. It's a stamp. It's a good Jones, 30.
Right.